All right, good morning. This morning, me, Micah, and Sam are going to ride from Sacramento to San Francisco. It's 125 miles with about 6,500 feet of climbing. It's just before 6 a.m. Our goal is to get there by 4 p.m. But depending on weather, it might be closer to 6. So it's going to be a fun day. Doing stuff like this is when you do something, you always remember it for the rest of your life. So let's go see how this is going to turn out. See you, big guy. Yeah, I'll see you in a couple days. You be a good boy. You can't come, Brody. It's too far.
Practically done.
20 miles in. Sam just had to twinkle. We're just getting out of Davis. It's a beautiful morning. Guess you really can't see that.
The work truck.
Just taking the back roads on Davis into Winters. Just fixed the first flat of the ride thanks to Micah.
Yeah, done. Thanks, road.
First pit stop, Steady Eddies. There's the bikes lined up.
Motivator.
Take a dump, Micah? Alright, we're at Lake Berryessa. Now it's time to climb through this little pass over to the other side where Napa is. Alright, we're 58 miles into the ride. We're almost to Napa. We just got a little bit of a downhill here and then one more major climb. It's misty. It's actually really cool. We've been lucky with the weather so far. Almost halfway. All right, we're just coming out of Napa. We just had lunch. We got about 60 miles to go. Climbing a bit more. But we're getting there. All right, here we are. We're actually at, what is this, Sonoma Raceway? And Micah just got flat number 2.
And pit stop.
It's a nice ass tunnel.
I know.
Alright, so it looks like we made it to San Francisco. Crossing the Golden Gate Bridge right now. Almost there. Maybe 5 miles left. Well, we made it. Beautiful day. Awesome ride. Micah and Sam did amazing. It was awesome. We had a great time.